Hello my fellow YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you how to make Jello. It's really easy, it's gonna taste delicious, and it's really fast. Okay, so we're gonna pour the Jello in a bowl. Delicious Jello. We're gonna add a cup of boiling water, really hot, so be careful. Put it like this. And then we need to stir it. Okay. Oh, let's go. That's my dog, Pepucha. One of these. It's Maxie. You have to make sure it dissolves. Okay. So you keep on stirring and stirring until it dissolves. Keep on stirring. Okay. And then after it's all dissolved, we're gonna use a cup of cold water. I like to get it from the fridge, so it's really cold. And then you will stir again, and that's pretty much it. You just put it on the fridge, wait about an hour, and it should be ready. But let's get the cold water. I'll show you. What is that called? SMR? That sound. Taking forever. So again, you put the Jello on a bowl, then you get a cup, you put hot water. No, you can either put hot water or you can put just water, regular water, cold water. Put it on the microwave for like 2-3 minutes, make it boil. You put it on the bowl, you stir for 2 minutes, then you come here, you put the cold water like this. Okay, and you stir again. Delicious Jello. Ready for dessert, for a party. When you're watching something, a movie. Perfect. Okay, and then what you do, you have to put it on the fridge. Let me make sure I have space. I'll put it on top. Okay, we're grabbing it, putting this here, and that's it. You're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video. Hey, say hi to Pepuche. Puchito. Puchito with his red eyes. Maxie. Hey, Maxie. Hey, Maxie. Hey, Maxie. Okay. Bye.